Happy weekend, dear friends. I am Michael. Amidst the cryptocurrency market this week, I continued to lead my group of friends to engage in short-term trading. Our short-term trading signal still maintains a 100% success rate this week. So many people may ask, why is my trading signal success rate so high? Today, taking advantage of this opportunity, I will briefly share with you why the success rate of my trading signal is so high. How did I get my trading signal? And I will also take this opportunity to explain to you the current trend of the entire cryptocurrency market. First of all, let us summarize our trading this week. All short-term transactions we conducted this week still maintain a 100% success rate. And as of now, our 10x Super Profit Plan has achieved a profit target of nearly 800%. Our ultimate goal of the 10x Super Profit Plan is to achieve a 10x profit target before Christmas. But as of now, we have achieved nearly 800% of the target. That is to say, achieving 10 times the revenue before Christmas is already very easy for us. Of course, some people may have followed our 10x Super Profit Plan relatively late, and the current profit is not that high. But it's okay. We still have 2 weeks before Christmas. So there is more than enough time for you. So in the end, basically all friends. As long as you strictly follow my trading signal for trading, there is no problem in achieving a 10 times profit target. So next, let me explain to you why my trading signal success rate is so high. How did I get my trading signal? In fact, we have many trading opportunities every day. But I only share 1-2 trading signals with everyone every day. If you are someone who has been following me for a long time, you should be able to find that although there are many market opportunities, we only seize 1-2 of them. Why? Because the trading signals I share with you must be based on what I believe to be a certain market situation before sharing them with everyone. If I don't have more than 80% confidence to determine whether the market will rise or fall in the future, then I won't share such uncertain trading signals with everyone. As long as the trading signals I share with everyone are basically consistent. So we don't have many trading signals every day. However, the success rate of the trading signals I share with everyone is very high. At least up to now, I haven't shared any incorrect trading signals with everyone yet. Do you think it is like this? Secondly, every time I judge trading signals, I observe the entire market for a long time. I must make a comprehensive judgment of the current market's major trend, medium-term trend, and short-term trend, in order to determine whether our next market trend is a deterministic one. So the trading signals I share with everyone are hard-earned. It is not that I notify everyone to trade whenever there is a trading opportunity, but rather that after my deep investigation and careful consideration, I will determine the trading signal. There is a saying in the investment market that it is better not to do it than to do it recklessly. I adhere to this principle when sharing trading signals with everyone. Trading signal success rate is very high. So next, let us review the current situation in our Bitcoin market, to help everyone understand what a major trend is in the current market. On Friday, the market released 2 very important data, one of which was the non-agricultural employment population data. The non-agricultural employment population data released on Friday was 199K, while the expected value was 180K. The previous value was only 150K, indicating that the non-agricultural employment population increased by 49K in the previous month. Another data is the unemployment rate for November. And you can see that the unemployment rate has decreased from 3.9% to 3.7%, indicating a significant improvement in our economy. The unemployment rate has decreased, employment has increased, and the economy has improved. As I mentioned before, once the economy improves, it is favorable to the US dollar, while it is unfavorable to assets or investment products denominated in US dollars. From these 2 data, it seems that the market is likely to decline, isn't it? But when we return to the Bitcoin market on Friday, Everyone can see that the data released at 8:30 a.m. on Friday showed a small decline after the announcement. After a small decline, Bitcoin once again experienced a rapid rise, and then began to slowly decline over the weekend. Have you noticed a problem? From the data, it should have been a downward trend. But the market did not decline, but instead showed an upward trend. What is the reason? What does this mean? I mentioned in my previous sharing that before and after the Bitcoin halving event in 2024, it is highly likely that the price of Bitcoin will continue to rise. Do you remember? However, based on the current data performance, the market should fall again. Guys, why do S&T the market match the data? Should we rely on market trends for trading, or should we rely on our data for trading? Many people have made difficulties here. So here I will tell you that the data affects the bias of market funds. Many people originally wanted to buy Bitcoin, but due to the release of data, the amount of money they wanted to buy may have decreased. In other words, there was a large amount of money in the market that wanted to buy Bitcoin. But due to this data, many people actually sold their Bitcoin. Therefore, the data actually affects the funding aspect of the market. However, from the market perspective, it is clear that the current funding situation in the Bitcoin market is that bull funds are stronger than bear funds. This means that Friday's non-agricultural data and unemployment rate data have not weakened the power of bull funds in the market. At present, there is still a large amount of funds globally rushing to buy Bitcoin. And these funds are optimistic about the market trend of Bitcoin after halving in April 2024. Which also leads to the price of Bitcoin being able to rise in the background of negative data. So in this context, can we judge the current trend of the Bitcoin market? I think everyone is already very clear. The impact of data is on the funding side, which affects the rise and fall of prices. Therefore, from the current market price fluctuations, it is clear that Friday's data did not affect the funding side, or rather did not have enough impact. At present, the funding situation in the market is still more bullish than bearish. So the price of Bitcoin in the future will continue to rise. And it is highly likely to break through the $50,000 mark in the last month of this year. Of course, as the BTC halving event approaches, more and more funds will choose to buy Bitcoin assets or other cryptocurrency assets, which may lead to a sustained rise in the cryptocurrency market. This is what we commonly refer to as the concept of a bull market. The influx of funds has led to a continuous rise in market prices, resulting in a bull market. So, everyone should be very clear about the overall trend of the current cryptocurrency market. So what is the relationship between this and our short-term trading signals? I don't know if anyone has noticed that as of today, all the trading signals I have shared with you are upward trading signals, right? So our short-term trading signals must conform to our overall trend, which is the concept of trend is king in the capital market. So I hope everyone can understand that, when conducting short-term trading, we must follow the big trend. We would rather not grasp some small opposite trends than follow the big trend. So, that's all I have to say about market trends today. Today, there is another profit opportunity that everyone is very concerned about. Do you still remember the last time there was a new IEO project for GST? However, due to time constraints at that time, many people did not seize this opportunity. After this opportunity, many people still asking when the new IEO project will be available. Cannot give the definite answer. But today I can give you a definite answer. You can see that today the SMAC Trading Center has released a brand new announcement. In the announcement, you can see that the SMAC Trading Center will launch a new IEO project called HCT. As far as I know, the HCT project is a concept related to computing power chips, which is very powerful. The chips developed by HCT are mining concepts related to cryptocurrencies, which can improve mining efficiency and increase mining profits. So the development prospects of this project are very huge. And everyone can also pay more attention to this concept and this new IEO project. For the IEO project, just follow the platform's announcement. Of course, I would like to briefly explain to you that if you want to participate in this IEO project, you must prepare in advance. Don't miss such an opportunity like last time, because time is tight. And you didn't have enough time to prepare. So at the end of today, let us return to the Bitcoin market once again. You can see that this Friday, we are predicting that the market will choose a brand new direction. Although the market has given us a reassurance, everyone knows that the Bitcoin market will rise in the future. But we must not ignore the possible changes in the market at any time. Why? Since the non-agricultural employment data and unemployment rate data this Friday did not determine the direction of the market. In other words, the non-agricultural data and unemployment rate data we originally expected on Friday will directly affect the direction of the market. But our expected choice of market direction has not appeared. Although we have just analyzed from a technical and financial perspective that the Bitcoin market will rise in the future. Has anyone noticed that there will be a very important policy to be announced next Wednesday, which is likely to directly affect the global financial market? Which data? It is the interest rate decision of the Federal Reserve. I think everyone is familiar with the impact of this data. The interest rate decision and the press conference after the decision can have a very large impact on global financial markets, including the cryptocurrency market. So everyone must pay attention to whether next Wednesday's interest rate decision will change the current market direction, or whether it will make our bull funds more strong, which determines whether the price of Bitcoin will rise or fall in the coming period. This Friday, we achieved our profit target of 300%. I can clearly tell everyone that after the interest rate decision is announced next Wednesday, market opportunities will far exceed 300%. This interest rate decision will have a greater impact than Friday's non-agricultural employment data and unemployment rate data. So everyone must be prepared in advance. And I will seize the opportunity of interest rate resolution next Wednesday with everyone. That's all for today. And I also wish everyone a happy weekend. Thanks for watching. I hope it can be helpful to everyone. Thank you all.